Hello, I'm Nevin.
And I'm Lucy.
And today we're going to be demonstrating the exploding bag experiment. You will need white vinegar, well, any kind will do, I'm just using this. You'll need a cup, some baking soda, a teaspoon, paper towel, some tape, a bag, and a big container. First step will be pouring your vinegar into your cup. Now you won't need this anymore, so I'll put this to the side. So once you have your cup ready, you can put that to the other side. You will now need to use your paper towel, your baking soda, and your teaspoon. You need to measure out 4 teaspoons of baking soda. Try to put them as close to the middle as possible. Once you have all your 4 teaspoons of baking soda in the middle of your paper towel, you can eliminate both your teaspoon and your baking soda. So now what you want to do is to fold the paper towel as many times vertically and horizontally as you can. Also try to keep your baking soda as close to the middle as you can. So now once I have this, I will put 1 thing of tape over the top, so vertically, so no this can't come undone. And I will put 1 thing of tape horizontally around, so like that. Now I can put this to the side too with the vinegar. So now what you want to do is open your bag and pour in some of the vinegar. I'm going to use my jug to help me with this one. So I can wrap it around like this, giving it more open space for me to pour the vinegar in.
Hold on.
So now that I have my vinegar in the bag, I will hold my packet of baking soda inside the bag, but it will not be, it can't touch, or else the reaction will happen without you ready. So now, once I have it pinched inside, I can go ahead and close the bag. You need to make sure that it's really, really, really sealed, or else this whole experiment will fail. Just do it as many times as you can. Like, you can probably do it over 5 times just to check and make sure it's secure. One last time. Now, once you're ready, put your paper towel bundle with your baking soda and in the container with your vinegar. Once you're ready, drop. So now what's happening is once the baking soda inside this paper towel hits the vinegar, it creates an endothermic reaction, which endothermic is cold. The opposite of that would be exothermic. It's creating a chemical reaction right now, which creates carbon dioxide, which will fill the bag. It's basically a volcano just erupting and filling it. So now you'll notice that it's inflating. It really sounds like it's fizzing. Here you can see it's like a balloon at this point. It's really blown up. I'm gonna put it here. you can see there's like bubbles forming on the sides of the bag. Oh god, it's a hard balloon. It's a hard balloon now. This reaction doesn't happen too fast, but if you can see closely, it's forming bubbles off the side. I don't want to hold it just in case it does explode and pop. But if it does pop, it won't be hot because endothermic. Oh, it's hard. It's like one of those balloons you would get at the store that's full to the rim, just of helium, but this is a carbon dioxide balloon. It's just filling.
I don't want to hold that. Then I wouldn't hold that until I was you.
I'm going to try and cycle it around just to make sure that all the baking soda is going to get caught by the vinegar. There's no leaks. Ooh. I'll just keep turning it until it does. Oh.
It's getting bigger. Nevin, I think the fission is making that thing get bigger.
It's like I think it popped out the sides a little.
Oh, Nevin, there's a leak there. Like
It popped out the sides.
Can't let it sit.
it's good. There's a pan right there.
Giant balloon. It's fizzing the whole side of this thing. It's crazy. These are all bubbles here on the side.
Uh-huh. This is so cool.
All the bubbles are full of carbon dioxide. That's what it's giving out.
Oh, Nevin, the bag is getting super duper big.
Oh, back up.
I think there's
Oh
a hole.
god, it's like, go.
Okay, back up.
Lucy.
What? Is it leaking?
I don't know, but it
Back up, back up.
Back up, everybody. There
Just
might
back
be
up
an
and don't touch.
explosion. There might be an explosion. But nobody wants to get an explosion put on them. Oh my gosh.
It's just like a balloon.
A balloon that they get from the store, it never looks like a kitty cat balloon. Like those are the little ears, and then that's the thing, and then the bag doesn't really count.
Oh, there's a hole.
Okay, we'll put it upside down where that part isn't and leave it. Don't touch.
It created a hole now, so it's leaking out.
Wow, look
It
at
could
that.
still explode. It might still explode. Where's the hole?
The hole is...
Well, it created a hole in the bag.
Now it's leaking. This
Very
is
cool.
it's like a hill now.
But what we wanted it to do was explode.
Well, it expanded
No.
pretty well. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's finish it up.
So we're
Now
gonna
it's
let
just leaking. It's like a bubbly trail.
Do you want to sign off?
no.
This was the exploding bag experiment from me, Nevin.
And Lucy.
See ya.
Bye!